Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom background on your mobile. So first of all, you need to launch your Zoom application on your phone, and then you need to basically log in into your account. Now once you are on this page, you need to tap on the join option, provide the meeting ID, select your name and click on the join option. Basically you need to start or join a meeting. Now once you are in your meeting, you will see the more option here, or the three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After doing so, you will need to tap on the option of background and effects. Now once you are in your background and effects option, you will see few ready-made backgrounds, so you can just tap on any of these in order to apply that. But if you want to create your custom one, you can tap on the plus icon and you can upload your own images from your gallery. The new background will appear instantly, and you don't need any green screen for it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.